Welcome, My Footprints Box. My Footprints Box is designed keeping in mind 90% of the brain development happens by the age of 5 years, and HighScope methodology is central to this. HighScope has been developed after 65 years of research in early years education in the US by some of the top scientists in the world. The central belief of HighScope is that children construct their own learning by doing and being actively involved in working with materials, people, and ideas. So let us look at what's inside the box. By purchasing the first box for playgroup, you will get one speaking pen, All About Me workbook, Shapes and Color book, Shapes storybook, Wonderful Story Goldilocks and Three Bears, one educational toy, 5 activity cards with stationery, 4 recorded activity sessions, 1 sample daily routine card, 2 weekly live events such as story sessions, webinars, puppet show. Now let's have a look at each item closely. Speaking pen. Speaking pen is a device that helps children to become an independent reader and develop their language skills in early years.
He kept walking and walking. After a while, he got tired.
Speaking pen will read All About Me workbook, Shapes and Color book, Shapes storybook. Smart books. You get a workbook that comprises of 24 unique worksheets to help children explore concepts. Each worksheet is connected to a developmental area and skill. The speaking pen integration has made this workbook reusable. Workbook has an interesting game feature that children can play with the help of speaking pen to recapitulate concepts. You also get a shape and color flashcard book as well as shape book, and that is a storybook that will help children learn about shapes in a different way. Wonderful Story Goldilocks and Three Bears. In the first box for playgroup, you get 10 grams as an educational toy. 10 grams can teach children about spatial relationships. They may help children to learn geometric terms and develop stronger problem-solving abilities. There is a real challenge in matching shapes that are already drawn out as puzzles to solve. Children hold the pieces called tens in their hands and rotate them or slide them around on the table, trying out new placements. As they do this, they are growing their ability to see in their minds how the pieces might fit together. 5 activity cards. These are easy to use cards that help you to conduct activities at home as per HighScope approach. There are 4 hands-on activities and 1 traditional game or movement card. Children could be at any level, earlier, middle, and later, and it's okay to be in any stage. As a parent, you can support the child to move to the next level by using the instructions given in the card. Along with these cards, we have stationery, 3 white construction papers, 1 pack of small crayon, 1 yarn roll, 1 glue tube, 2 markers, 20 popsicles, 1 packet of origami sheet, and 4 recorded sessions of hands-on activities. Sample daily routine card. Consistent routines, which means activities that happen at about same time and in about same way each day, provide comfort and a sense of safety to young children. Creating routines in response to children's unique biological rhythms and needs has multiple benefits for the children and families as a whole. Developing a routine that is consistent helps children move smoothly from one activity to the other in a day. This card will support you to learn what are the various routines for young children and implement the strategies given for each routine to provide children a participatory environment at home. We recommend you to refer this card with your child to show the transition from one part of the routine to the other. Live events. We offer you 2 live events every week. These live events are designed to enhance your learning and parenting experience at home. Live events may include story session, puppet show, webinars. My Footprints box is designed carefully so that you can focus on what matters the most, bringing active learning at your doorstep. So enjoy learning alongside your child at home.